Who painted the Starry Night? Which epic poem is attributed to Homer? Who wrote Hamlet? Which musical instrument has keys, pedals, and strings? Who composed the classical piece Fur Elise? The Mona Lisa is displayed in which museum? Which Japanese art of folding paper is famous worldwide? Who wrote the novel 1984? Which dance is associated with Argentina? What is the traditional dress of Scotland called? Who painted The Persistence of Memory? The Festival of Diwali is celebrated in which country predominantly? Who is the author of Pride and Prejudice? Which instrument is also called a fiddle in folk music? Which city is famous for its opera house designed by John Utzon? Who composed the ballet Swan Lake? Kabuki and No are traditional forms of theater in which country? Which artist is known for the Blue Period? The traditional Hawaiian dance is called what? Which famous playwright wrote Death of a Salesman?